We got a new house for Pookie. We put this little thing. Pookie likes it. And the little pom pom. He likes it. We put food in here. And then, oh yay. Oh yay. And we got a swing in there. Little exploring baby, look at this. Oh yay, you likes it? And then, see that? This is a little swing down there. And we got a little bitey space. Bitey space. Boo boo, yeah. You like it, Boo? Boo boo loves it too much. Boo boo just took a shower. Cute baby. Cute baby. Cute baby. Ooh, who likes it? So cute, Boo Boo. What? Cute boogie. So this is movable. And the other side is kind of nothing. I'm gonna put little decoration thing. Ta-da! So cute. So cute. Whoa. Boo, come down. You like it, Boo? What? You like it? What? Boo likes it too much. What? Two soft things. Look at this pom pom. Boo, you got two types of pom pom. Look at that. Oh. What? Look at this little fence. Cute. Boo, you like this house too much? What? Are you the owner of this house? What? So cute. Ah, so cute, Boo. On the fence. Look at this, Boogie. So cute, Boogie. Your favorite house? There's a PlayStation of Bubble. Boogie PlayStation. Look at this Q-tips. Wow. What? Okay.